if you are in a position of not necessarily having the answers to your next move, what I recommend is sitting back. Step back for a little bit and take the time to read a book to change your thought patterns. Or if it's not reading a book that's going to give you the solution, maybe you have to begin writing something down, or maybe don't do anything, sit back and meditate. But break the mental barriers, the hypnotic rhythm that you've been stuck thinking. You got to break it. A lot of us, I'll say me. Instead of saying a lot of us, I'll use me as an example. So right now, everything that's happening right now